I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenRoseGarden.com,
home of Zen Ed Academy. We want to take a quick moment to tell you about our online community where our Zen heads hang out and where we, as of a couple years ago, teach all of our courses, including our comprehensive tarot course.
Zen Ed Academy was an idea that grew from our love of teaching workshops here in Las Vegas since 2008. We saw a change coming in the online space and decided to create something more.
Always something more, because we're extra like that. And here is one of our students to tell you all about it.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Cheryl, and I've been a member of Zen Ed Academy for about 9 months now. I found Heather and David on a random YouTube search. I was looking for information on the narcissist empath paradigm, and of course they have a video on that. But what I really fell in love with the first time that I saw them was their energy. Heather and David come to all of their material with a completely realistic approach. It's not overly spiritual, it's not fluffy, it's not full of all love and light. They're not looking to blow sunshine up your ass, but they're giving you deep, scientifically backed, PhD backed material from a very grounded, realistic perspective. And once I joined, I have had no regrets. Heather and David's approach is to coach your entire life. They're going to give you whatever resources you need. And this is designed to help you go through your deepest and darkest shit. So as you go through your journey, as you explore and as you work to perfect whatever it is that your niche is, you will have the tools to deal with the stuff that bubbles up through that journey. For me, it's been phenomenal. One of the things that I loved is their life coaching set. They give you all of they give you a whole platform designed to crush your imposter syndrome, as they call it, self-doubts, creative blocks, and really set you up on your journey to explore and create, firmly backed and ready to go into the world with confidence. Their life coaching platform is fantastic. They give you building blocks for mediumship, energy work, and now they're even working on tarot, which is cool as hell. So whether you're a psychic pro, or you're not, Heather and David set you up to tap into your intuition and level up your entire life. I tell people all the time, Zen Ed Academy for me is like the gym for my brain. I have no regrets. Doing this to me is on a weekly, daily basis, whenever I touch base, has been so important on getting my life back on track. Aside from all the material that they present, there's also the community, which is so open, so supportive, so twisted, and so fun. We have a blast together. So it's really been cool to develop the relationships that I've been able to develop through this journey. If you have any doubts or any hesitation, knock it off. Take the plunge. It's worth the risk. Once you try it on, I promise you will have no regrets. Thanks for listening to my story. Peace.
We opened our online school in 2017, where now we have a tribe of powerhouse students around the globe who connect, learn, and improve their skills 24 hours a day.
7 days a week, 365 and a quarter days a year.
Zen Ed Academy is a fully operational healing center that fits in the palm of your hand. And it didn't just happen overnight. We've been improving it and finessing it for quite a while now.
And it's not just one of those pop-up courses that are gone when they're done.
Like learn to make a crystal grid or stuff you can just grab for free on YouTube or Google, but meaningful courses that you can't find on Google or YouTube.
And you cannot find this information on Google or YouTube. If you want in, we made it easy to access not just one class, but over 16 seriously deep PhD-backed classes and courses to binge on to your heart's content.
Plus all the lifetime replays.
All of them. Check that out in the description. Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.